Produce now God's message to humanity. Principle number 6. Examine yourself. You must never forget to remember that we are called to accountability as children of God. Being morally responsible and confessing our faults is also a sign of weakness. The following 12 questions will help guide you on that path of introspection. Take as much time as you need to think about each question before answering them. While answering these questions, apply the first principle of honesty. Steer clear of the 5 producer traps that can hinder your production. Ask Holy Spirit to help you get through each of them, and He will. Remember, there is no judgment here. 12 questions for self-examination. Number 1. Who has God called me to be? Number 2. What is God's direct mandate for my life? Number 3. What fruit do I currently produce in my life? Number 4. What fruit do I desire to produce in my life? Number 5. What is at the root of what I produce in my life? Number 6. What thoughts of mine do not help me reach what I want? Take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 5, B clause. Number 7. What behavior of mine helps me build relationships with others? Number 8. What behavior of mine harms relationships with others? Number 9. Who do men say that I am? Number 10. What God-given gifts do I possess to present to humanity? Number 11. Where do I see myself in the next 3 to 5 years as it pertains to producing in my kingdom assignment? Number 12. What do my 4 phases look like? Writing out your test or testimony will help you both now and later, when it is time to share your Phase 5 recovery story.
You just heard another excerpt from Produce Now God's Message to Humanity, the trilogy. To pre order your copy today, click the link in the description.